What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll be showing you how to unlock the thermal plant in order to generate power from lava, geysers, and things like that, which you'll mainly find off to the east of your starting life pod, as there are a few different thermal plants that we can scan. What you'll want to do is make your way out basically directly 490 meters away in essentially the 110 direction, so out there roughly. You'll find yourself atop this platform here with this little tree thing there, that over there, etc. This over here is the thermal plant, which we can actually scan, getting one piece here, as well as immediately next to it, the second thermal plant piece here. Scanning both of these fully unlocks the thermal plant for you. There are quite a few of these spread throughout the area. For example, just down towards the north side over there, where this angry fish is, underneath this little overhang here, that piece down there is part of one as well. We can scan that, or alternatively straight towards the southwest side over here. Down, you'll find a hole over here. Inside of this hole here, there's also another piece right over here on top of this, where we'll return later for black box zip. Anyways, there's a couple of places that we can unlock this, and while it's relatively simple to unlock, how do you actually use it? Well, you'll need to get yourself a habitat builder, and with it, under exterior facilities, you'll find thermal plant here. This converts heat into usable energy 1 to 16 per second and requires power transmitters in order to get it back to a building. What we can do is place this just about anywhere. And if we plonk one down here, for example, you'll see that this one is generating 13 power just based off of the heat. So if we place a building right next to it, a hatch, as well as grab ourselves a power transmitter here, we'll need to make sure that there's line of sight between our base and the geothermal generator. And you can see at our base, we're now generating 13 power, which was what was written on the side of it over here. Obviously though, your base is likely not going to be this close to one of these generators, so you'll need to take power transmitters and essentially just drag them out by just holding it in your hand with it active until eventually the line snaps. You'll bring it back a little bit and put one of these in the water where it'll just sort of bob and hang around there, creating a power line between whatever you're building and your base. Very simple. In order to actually attach it to a building and give it power, like you saw over here, I had to place one of these attached to it on the roof, but I'm pretty sure attaching this just about anywhere should work fine. You can see it's snapping in quite a few different locations, and once we do, it's attached and giving us that amount of power. If I select the thermal plant and just move this around, you'll see 13 power basically everywhere here. I assume that's just to do with the temperature, 5 degrees. If we head towards, say, a lava vent like these ones over here, you can see 14, 15, 16 as the temperature is slowly raising here. If we put one down on the closest available surface, like that over there, you can see this one's now generating 16 power, and conversely, the further away we go from heat sources and the cooler we get, the less power these things generate. Basically, anywhere inside of this hot area, these things will generate between 12 to 15 energy, or 12 to 14 energy, and they only seem to generate more when you place them next to these geothermal vents. But anyways, that's really it. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.